Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Logarithm.
What does the dictionary say?
The exponent of the power to which a base number must be raised to equal a given number. Log.
Math rap.
Logarithm beats to the rhythm of a different drummer. It asks, how many of this number do we multiply to get that number? Like, how many 2's must we use to get an 8? 2 times 2 times 2, you need 3 2's for 8 to equate.
Math rap.
When is a fallen tree drumming in time? When it's a logarithm. Explain logarithm in your own words. How many 2's, 2 times 2 times 2, do you need to get to 16? How many 3's, 3 times 3 times 3, do you need to get to 6,561? Make up 3 more logarithm questions and share with the class. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!